Hey family, happy 2024. We know the time says 2024, but we know it's not that time. But let me not even start off on that footing. Let me just say, according to the calendar that we are using, it is now the start of a new year, the start of a new season. In this new Iowa, I want you all to be manifesting great things, walk in greatness, and whatever it is that you're doing or that you were doing in the past that has not materialized, I'm going to tell you this year that you're to move forward on it. You're going to go harder on it. You're also going to tweak your formula, okay? Because sometimes we're here and our formulas are not working. It does not call for change, but it calls for tweak. So if you're putting a ounce of this over there, instead of putting an ounce, you can put half ounce. If you used to rub up the butter with the sugar, maybe this time around, you're gonna add a little almond essence to it, okay? Because there's a rule in baking that says you add the dry ingredients first, and then you combine the wet ingredients and then you put it all together. But sometimes we have to tweak the formula, and we'll get to the proper end result that we want. In this season, I am manifesting greatness. I am actually doing it, and I want you to do it too, because you can. Remember, the power is in you. Start your new year doing the things that you want to be doing throughout the year. Start your new year walking in the path that you want to walk in for the rest of the year. For us, we're into real estate investing, and we are out here at the Home Depot. And what are we doing here? We're gathering some building materials for one of the projects that we're doing. Okay? So we started our new year doing all of this, and we're gonna carry forward. Last year was a really tough year. For those of you who don't know, I lost my mom in March. In April, Rasta lost his beloved sister. That's his eldest sister. And in July, Rasta lost his one and only son in Jamaica. So last year was a really tough year for us. However, we managed to pull through, and we are steadfast. We are moving forward, and no matter what life throws at us, we are never gonna be moved, and we're gonna gain strength, and we're gonna move on. I want you to do the same in this new season, and I want you to know it's all love and light, and keep on stepping on your goals into this new season. Blessed love, and I'll see you all on the channel more frequently this year. More love and more light.